Meaning of deep freezer.
Deep freezer.
Deep freezer.
Deep freezer.
Deep freezer. A deep freezer is a type of refrigerator that operates at a very low temperature, typically around -18 degrees Celsius or lower. It is designed to preserve food items for long periods of time by slowing down the natural decay process. The freezer works by removing heat from the interior and circulating cool air throughout. This slows down the growth of bacteria and preserves the nutritional value of the food. Deep freezers are commonly used in households, restaurants, and other places where large quantities of food need to be stored over an extended period of time.